Hello guys, this is the unboxing of the Pirelli Air Mask. It's used for running, cycling, and has a little electric motor inside and a little battery, and it comes with a few filters. I bought it from AliExpress for $20 I think, I'm not sure, and we'll now unbox it and see what's inside. The box was a little bit beaten, maybe from the traveling with Singapore post, Bulgarian post. Everything is in Chinese. I don't know if we can read it. We have to use Google Translate. This is the mask. It has this LED. See, it blinks. If you press and hold, it starts blowing. If you tap once, it changes the fan speed, and if you hold, it turns off. This is the button. This here is the USB charging, and we have the cloth outside, the protective cloth, and the mask itself. This is soft for the nose, and this is see user instructions before using. Yes, it's nicely written in English, but the user instructions are in Chinese. I don't know how we'll understand what to do. Okay, perhaps this is the warranty. Little box, maybe with manual. This is the close open sponger. You put it like here and you spin, and this part falls off, and you can see the filter inside, and then we can dismantle this whole thing. I don't know how. Maybe there is some way. I don't want to break it for now, so I will put it back. We have some filters here, two filters. Oh, we have this big filter inside, and the instructions. These are in pure Chinese. I don't know which one. Maybe Mandarin? You tell me. I guess we have to... I don't know how to dismantle this. I will have to translate it. But it's nice. So, I didn't read the instructions, but I will put the mask on, so for you to see. Some people claim that the masks are too small. My head is not too big. It's normal. I think it's on the smaller side. It's a small European head. Eastern European head, maybe. And I think it fits nice. I will try to run with it tomorrow. Do you hear the fans? It's very silent. This is the powerful spin. Oh, this is the faster one. I will try to run with it tomorrow morning, maybe. You have to be careful because it doesn't come with charging cable or brick. It uses micro USB for charging, so either you will have to buy or you have to use something that you have in your house. And that was the unboxing of the Purelli Air Mask from Xiaomi. I think it's Xiaomi, but it's not written anywhere on the packaging. Bye.